Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to unbox with you, and I have got the 12 days of Christmask by BeautyPro. This is what it looks like. It's got information about all the masks on the back here. So it's an advent calendar full of masks, which is brilliant. I thought it was really cool. So this was kind of gifted to me by BeautyPro in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. So I'm going to be opening it up day by day, showing what you'll receive in this advent calendar, so you're able to see if this advent calendar is for you or not. So the cost of this advent calendar is £39 and it has a value of £59.40. Now they say that this box has everything required to help you relax and unwind during the busy festive period. Each sheet mask will leave your skin feeling pampered and radiant. There's lots of places that sell this advent calendar. You can get it from BeautyPro themselves. There's also Look Fantastic, Urban Outfitters, Feel Unique and many more. I'll pop all links and everything related to this advent calendar down below. So underneath this video, see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there, including my playlist for all my unboxings I've done so far and all my advent calendars. If I turn to the side, you'll be able to see better. So day number 1 up here. Ooh, what do? Oh, I see. So you flip it down like that and out pops a mask. So this is a coconut infused sheet mask, and this contains coconut, mushroom and red algae, and it says it's powerful skin nourishment, promotes a fresh, radiant, healthy looking glow, anti-aging formula, biodegradable bamboo sheet mask. And then it's got down here, it's award-winning British brand and it's vegan and cruelty-free. Feel the coolness. Oh, sometimes I really like a cold mask. Sometimes I absolutely love it. Like for instance now, I'm quite warm, but sometimes, I find them really like, hard going. Once they're on, it's like, okay, I've calmed down a bit, but especially the freezing cold ones, you know, you'll put them on your face, and on me anyway, I'm like, okay, get it on, and then it's like, whew, it adjusts a little bit to your body temperature. But sometimes I'm like, yes, slap it on, cool me down. But I can feel the coolness in the mask already. So it just says it's a 15-minute sheet mask, so you apply it to your face, leave on for 15 minutes and peel off, and it should reveal a glowy, radiant looking skin. So that's day number 1. Day number 2, I love these little flaps. I was wondering how they were going to do it, but I think this is genius. Look. This is a brightening sheet mask, and it contains collagen, vitamin C and aloe vera, and it's to brighten complexion, and it improves elasticity, targets fine lines and wrinkles. It sounds amazing. It's another anti-aging formula, and it mentions about it being cruelty free and also how long you need to keep it on for. All masks have information on the back there, so you're able to know exactly what you're supposed to do, where to place it and for how long. And yeah, so that's day number 2. Day number 3. Ooh. This is an eye therapy under eye mask, and this contains collagen, green tea, vitamin A and E, and it says relieves the effects of tired, swollen, puffy eyes, diminishes fine lines, wrinkles and under eye shadow. There's 3 pairs in here. Oh right, okay. And it's an anti-aging formula, and yeah, it just says exactly the same information. So I'll just show you the front there first. So there's 3 pairs. Oh, I don't want to open it up because I can feel it quite cool. Okay, let's open it up. I'll use them tonight. I'm just curious because I haven't used these before. Yes, it's what I thought. It is what I thought. And I think I have used these before. They come like this. So they're little individual packets, and I'm sure I have used them. I've received them in beauty subscription boxes like this. But yes, you've got 3 there. So it says to cleanse your face, apply them under your eyes, and then wait 20 minutes, and then take them off, and you should have beautiful, depuffed, bright under eyes. So there's that. What day are we on? 4 I think. Yep, up the top here. And we got a herb infused face mask. This contains rosemary, chamomile and nonu juice. I don't know what a nonu juice is, but it sounds nice. Organically farmed herbs from Provence. Antioxidants help with blemish control. It's anti-aging formula, biodegradable bamboo sheet mask. It tells more information there. So that sounds really lovely, doesn't it? It says packed with a variety of herbs that are organically farmed in the south of France. This multitasking mask helps to rebalance, brighten, improve complexion. Nonu juice extract is rich nutrients and antioxidants. And it says massage pouch before opening. Excess serum can be used over face and neck. So yeah, same as before, you apply it to your face, leave it for 15 minutes and then you remove. But yeah, it's nice and cool as well. Day number 5 up here. Got something for your hands this time. This is hand therapy collagen infused gloves with removable fingertips. Oh my word. It's suitable for all skin types. It's an anti-aging formula and it says dual layered glove with removable tips, safe to use with natural nails, gel polish and extensions, nourishing and deeply moisturising, and it says to leave on for 20 minutes. What is the point of the removable tips though? I've got gels on my nails at the moment. It says to be used with gels. So no, I'm not too sure. If you know, please let me know. But we've got one for the hands. Day number 6 up here. Oh, we've got a bubble mask. Now these are a lot of fun. This is detoxifying bubbling cleansing mask, activated charcoal with ginseng and tea tree, and it's a self-foaming mask, deep pore and blackhead cleansing. It's anti-aging formula and non-drying. If you've never ever tried a bubble mask before, oh, you need to do it. You need to try one because it is hysterical. I've done quite a few on them on my YouTube channel, and the very first one I did, oh, it just went wrong, but it was so funny. So funny. The bubbles were massive and I left it on a little bit longer than I should have, but I just looked like a big fluffy panda. But cut a long story short, I had to answer the door and it was my neighbour and I scared the heck out of her. She was like, oh, hi Claire. And then I had the giggles then for the rest of the video. But oh my gosh, that was so funny. But no, they're really good. You can feel them sort of like bubbling and like popping on your skin. This one you leave on just for 10 minutes. Day number 7 down here. We got a rejuvenating sheet mask with collagen, seaweed and green tea. This rebalances oily T-zones and hydrates dry areas, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. That sounds perfect for me. I've got combination skin, so that sounds absolutely perfect. Yeah, and it just says leave on for 15 minutes and it's an anti-aging formula. So same as the other masks as in application. Day number 8 up here. We got a rose infused sheet mask, and this is from the plant-based range. It contains rose, chamomile and seaweed. It helps in calming and hydrating and helps to revitalize and moisturize. And it contains a biodegradable bamboo sheet mask, and again it's an anti-aging formula. The information on the back here just shows you apply it the same as the others and then you leave it on for 15 minutes. Massage pouch before opening. Excess serum can be used over face and neck. So there's that. Number 9. And we've got a nourishing collagen mask. It contains collagen, olive oil and rose. Nourishes and rehydrates skin, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. And yes, anti-aging formula. And again, you leave it on your face for 15 minutes. Anti-aging collagen sheet mask with olive oil to help regenerate cells, protect the skin and provide intense rehydration. Day number 10. We've got an avocado. Now I've tried this before and this is nice. An avocado infused sheet mask. This is from the plant-based range and it contains avocado, chia and wild yam, and it's enriched with nourishing avocado oil, superfood ingredients, and it contains a biodegradable bamboo sheet mask. And information on the back as well. It just says to leave on your face for 15 minutes. Yeah, it's really lovely. I tried it a little while ago. It says enriched with the natural oils of avocado. This superfood ingredient is sourced from New Zealand and provides hydration with your skin feeling softer and smoother. A naturally plumping ingredient that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then it just says massage before opening. Number 11. Down here. We got a new one. I've never seen this one before. This is from the plant-based range as well, and this is a pumpkin infused sheet mask, and it contains pumpkin, ivy and bergamot. Oh, I bet it smells gorgeous. It's for brightening and softening, natural fruit enzymes and AHAs, and it contains a biodegradable bamboo sheet mask, and again it's a 15-minute mask that you apply to your face. Natural enzymes with alpha hydroxy acids from fruit and herb extracts help increase cell renewal while brightening and smoothing the skin. Vitamin A and C help boost collagen production to prevent the signs of aging. And then lastly, day number 12, or mask number 12. It doesn't have to be day number 12. Like, I don't know about you, but I don't do a mask every day. So I would probably use this mask every other day. So it'd be like on the 1st of December and then the 3rd of December, and do it that way. So then it'll last you for the whole month then. We got a foot mask. This is Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Booty. This contains collagen, sweet almond and peppermint. Removable toe tip. What is with the removable toe tips? I don't know. Safe to use with natural nails and gel polish. It's a double layered booty. It contains all natural ingredients and it's cruelty free, as it normally says. And you're supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes this time. Feels a lot thicker in there. It says anti-aging foot treatment to deeply nourish and hydrate feet. So those are all the masks. So I'm just going to gather them up. So these are all the masks. There's 12 masks in all. The advent calendar costs £39 and the value is £59.40. I think this is a fab idea. I think it's the very first time I've seen a mask advent calendar. I don't think I've seen one before, but I do think it's a really, really great idea. I love having my beauty advent calendars, but I also have a wine advent calendar that I share with my husband, and also a little candle advent calendar as well. So why not a mask advent calendar? It's a month of pampering. So no, I think it's really cool. I do think it's really good. That's if you love your masks, that is. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you ordered this advent calendar for yourself, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you to BeautyPro for sending this out to me. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.